Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money on TapTap send from USA to Nepal. So before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So let's dive into it. So the first thing to do is to make sure you launch the app on your device, then signing into your TapTap send account using your account credentials. Then from there you have to choose the Nepal from the country list. Then you have to choose the delivery method. So select how the money will be received, which will be in your bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Then after that, you have to add the recipient details. So enter the recipient full name and the bank or the mobile account number. Then after that, you have to enter the amount. So type the amount you want to send in USD or Nepal, which is the NPR. Then after that, you have to select the payment method. So choose your funding option, which could be your debit card or your bank transfer. So check details carefully to avoid mistakes and tap send to complete the transaction. So keep the confirmation for tracking and proof, which is the receipt. So make sure you save the receipt just for confirmation and proof. And that's how you can easily send money on TapTap send from USA to Nepal. I hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and subscribe for more.